Hey queens, hey dolls, welcome back to yet another tutorial. And this is me, your girl Lovey, tuning in with another cut crease. I know you guys see me do this a lot of times, but today I'm getting into these eyes and I want to share what brushes I use to blend these eyes with you guys, because I see a lot of people keep asking me what brushes I use to do that, what brushes I use to do this. So if you're interested in to see how I create this look and what brushes I use, just keep on watching. Okay, so we about to jump right into our Caribbean Season Color eyeshadow palette, and this is one of my favorite small business owned brand. This is a small business owned brand, and I'm telling you, the pigments are really awesome, honestly, and they have a lot more palettes, and yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. So for this color shadow, I took my Morphe M4 33 brush and I'm just packing the color into my crease. As you guys seeing me do right now, I'm literally just packing the color right there, because remember, we did not set this base. We basically use an eyeshadow to set this base. So you got to place your shadows down and then you start your blending. Then you start blending your shadows together. So that's basically what I'm doing here, and like I said, I'm using the M433 brush from Morphe. So now I'm going to take my light blue eyeshadow from that same palette, and then I'm going to use my Morphe times Jacqueline Hill number 33 brush. That's the collection that they have. I don't know, for those who've been subscribed to my channel for this long time, I did post a video where I told you guys what brushes I use. So if you're new to my channel and you didn't watch that one, you might want to check that one out. That's also another detailed brush, which I'm literally showing you guys the brush. My makeup was already done. I was already showing you guys the brush in that video, so you could definitely check that out. So watch me go back with the brush I used to apply that purple shadow and just blending that purple shadow into that blue for that seamless blend. For right now, I'm using this Jacqueline Hill times Morphe again. This is the number 40 brush, and I'm using that to apply the black just to deepen this crease a little bit more, just to like show you exactly where we're gonna cut. That's exactly what we deepen in this crease for, to see exactly where we're gonna cut and define their eyes a little bit more, define the eye makeup a little bit more. And we just grabbing back the brushes we used before and going back in just to define the colors, make sure all our colors is showing and glowing, baby. Get into the blend, baby. Okay, let me know what you think about this thing. You know, I'm gonna y'all feedback, so definitely want to let me know what you think. So if you didn't watch my last tutorial, you might want to go check that out also, because I did spill the tea on this base I used, baby. Okay, I didn't really show the base right now, I just gave you a glimpse of it. So you definitely want to go watch the tutorial, my last tutorial, to see what base was that, because this base is beyond lit. Like, it's super beyond lit, and it's a drugstore brand. It's super cheap. It's like $11, and it's, you know, it's everything, honestly. Okay, so I did speed up the process of cutting my crease and everything off camera just to speed it up. You'll see me waste so much time. And then I'm gonna take my EA Beauty eyeshadow pigment. This is the first time I'm using a different company eyeshadow pigment. I normally go for Maya makeup eyeshadow pigment, but this company sent me a whole bunch of glitters, whole bunch of pigments, you know, stuff like that, and I really love their products. I'm gonna be dropping more glitter looks on here for y'all using their glitters, because their glitters are really pretty, really late. You guys should definitely support this brand also. I think this is a small business owned brand as well, so you guys should definitely support them. It's crazy how Anastasia or Morphe will come out with something and everybody will run to grab it, and those people don't even see most of the people that's using their products. It's crazy. But y'all just don't really support small business brands. I mean, y'all not gonna always know about all small business brands to support them, but I'm telling you about these brands, small business brands that I've been using. Their products are awesome. So we're gonna throw some glitter on this pigment. I just wanted to do something really different, and I did not have like a neon liner, which is really why I go for pigments. So yeah, I should invest in some neon liner, but it should still be so expensive when I got so many pigment. Even though the neon liners would probably speed up the process a little bit more, but I think I've been getting through. What if they didn't have those? I have these things, right? So yeah, so I'm getting into, you know, my glitter and everything, just throwing that on the lid for you guys. And I am not sure of what brush is this, but I think this is a really cheap brush that I'm using on the lid right now, like, but I'm using to apply the glitters right now. I am not sure I'm not sure where this brush is from, but it's a really cheap brush. And yeah, any flat brush, any handy flat brush, you use really flat, but that will not get in your way and mess you up, will be perfectly fine. So I went ahead and throw my lashes on off camera, and then I'm just putting some pigment on my bottom waterline. You know how I do my skin, I speed it up. If you're interested to see how I do my foundation routine, you might want to watch that video as well. I'm going to leave all those videos that I tell you about in the description box below. I'm going to leave the link for you guys. And I just smoked out the bottom with the same colors I use for my transition colors. So yeah, we get into phase, and this is the part where we speed up and we enjoy the music while we do that. And yeah, watch me work, babies. Like I say, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if this video helped you guys out, and let me know if you guys even purchased the Jaclyn Hill Times Morph collection brushes. Honestly, it's better to invest in good eye brushes, honestly, because when you're messing up with these cheap eyeshadow brush, girl, you don't want to do that. Invest in some good brush, guys. I promise you, you'll not and never regret investing in good brushes to blend your eyeshadow. Because even if sometimes it's not even the shadow that's cheap and not even applying, sometimes it's the brushes they're using. And if you like a beginner or whatever, you gonna learn that over time. Like, you literally gonna learn that over time. Like I'm saying, like it's crazy. You literally gonna learn that over time. Because it took me a while. It's like, you know, grasp a few stuff and to better my craft. So it won't happen in a day, and you'll definitely be okay. Just keep hanging in there, you guys, and keep practicing and practice and practice and practice and practice. You guys will really get it if you stay persistent. One of my pieces higher than one. I don't know how the hell I'm still getting that stuff to be higher than one, because I could swear it looked even in when I was recording, but whatever, you guys get the picture and everything. I'm not scared to point that out. Everybody makes mistakes, so yes. So like I say, this is what it is for today. Let me know if this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let's just enjoy the rest of this video, and toodles, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Did you know you can share with your friends? Yeah, you can definitely share the video. Like, hit that that 3 dot beside the video and share with people, so they can watch, so they can learn something from it. And yes, this is basically it for today. Bye now, y'all. We'll go.
closer.